Square spice jars with labels. Our all-in-one spice organization set comes with 14 empty square glass spice jars, 14 airtight silver metal caps, 7 coarse shakers, 14 sift-and-pour shakers, 1 small silicone funnel, 1 magnetic cooking conversion chart, and 269 minimalist spice labels, including 144 round chalkboard labels and 125 clear rectangular spice labels. Refillable. The 4 ounces spice jars with lids can be refilled with the collapsible silicone funnel. Hand wash or place into the dishwasher and dry thoroughly before relabeling. The seasoning stickers include over 120 commonly used spices such as salt, allspice, basil, cajun, cardamon, cayenne, chili powder, cinnamon, cloves, coriander, cumin, curry, garlic powder, lemon pepper, nutmeg, onion powder, oregano, pepper flakes, rosemary, seasoned salt, thyme, turmeric, black pepper, and ginger. Stay fresh. The screw-on silver metal lids have a liner for a secure, airtight seal. Add spice gradually with a small sift holes, or dispense more seasoning at a time with a pour option. It's easy to customize your kitchen and keep ingredients fresh with easy-to-use spice jar set with labels. 2 label styles. Customize the 4 Oz seasoning jars with 2 types of minimalist spice labels. The 144 count 1.5-inch round chalkboard style labels with 128 spice names, 8 blanks, and 8 numbers. 125 count 1.5 by 0.5-inch rectangular decals with black text on a transparent background that comes with 121 spice names and 4 blanks. Measurement conversion chart. You'll also receive a 5 by 7-inch kitchen measurement conversion chart magnet that includes the most common metric and imperial conversions. Place the conversion chart for cooking on your refrigerator or any flat magnetic surface. Includes weight conversions to ounces, pounds, and grams. Liquid volume conversions to fluid ounces, teaspoons, tablespoons, cups, pints, quarts, gallons, and liter units. Temperature conversion in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Top reviews from the United States. I really like my new spice jars. I have lots of spices, but not the space for the jars most of them come in. They hadn't been used as often as I like because I had to store most of them out of the way. I do have a spice rack on my kitchen wall. I knew these jars would fit in it. Well, I was like a kid in a candy store. I had so much fun filling and labeling the jars. There were labels for every odd spice I had, and tons of labels for other spices I don't have. There are round labels for the jar lids and rectangle labels for the front of the jars. My eyes are bad, so I put the larger round labels on the front of the jars. Now I can easily read them. All of the lids fit snugly and all of the inner caps have a side to sprinkle and a side to pour. Since I am mostly right-handed, I put the appropriate opening to the left of the label so when I grab the jar, I am ready to flavor my food. Now, most everything I cook gets at least a sprinkle of something. They go very nicely with my kitchen decor. In fact, they would complement any kitchen decor from chic to farmhouse. I try to eat as healthy and as natural as possible, and spices add so many wonderful flavors and health benefits. I am glad I purchased them.